does this now. Sounds sick, ready? See ya, buddy. Oh, good morning, little car. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're getting exhaust on the Corona, and oh, I'm so excited. We're heading down to go see Will. Will fed up an exhaust a couple weeks ago now, and yeah, we've just been trying to find time where we're both free and gonna get that on. Anyway, if you guys enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think of the exhaust, and yeah, get pumped. Look at this thing, it's so sick.
Like I shaved all the inlet and took all the shit off it, put a big throttle body, converted it to SR coil packs.
Sick,
had to make
man.
a turbo manifold, like made V8 Jag engine mounts work for it because they're like little and like they're real firm. And just little shit like converting it all over to AN and stuff like that, and
Sick, man.
big clutch. But yeah, like he had another one that was turbo. He brought it to me and I like re-turboed it, like new manifold turbo, everything, like cooler piping and shit.
Yeah.
Exhaust, and then because it's power steer,
Yeah.
like, we were like, oh, we'll reshell everything into this, but didn't consider that it's power steer, so nothing fits.
Oh, fuck.
Like, it's cool as fuck car, like it'll be sick once it's done. But
Yeah, it's a mad colour. Looks sick. Need a big old brr. I need to introduce you to the three people that watch my channel, Will.
I lent my jack to someone, eh?
Oh, really? You should have told me I would have bought one.
Yeah, I didn't even consider it.
Fuck.
Fun.
You got ramps I can like reverse up onto. Bits of wood and ones. Smile for the camera, Will. This is Will. He's a lovely human being. He's also fucking hilarious and a great worksman. He's gonna help make all of our cars cool, even though he's only making one of my cars cool. Slash all of them.
If not down to do shit on the 31.
Yeah, are you still down to do shit on 31?
I'm more down for that than this.
Yeah, fair.
I think this thing is a waste of time.
My dad agrees with you.
We're trying to do this with bare minimum effort. Minimum effort, maximum results. And not cut through your fuel tank line.
Yeah, please no.
You want to start it and see how dirty it sounds?
That sounds fucking sick! Holy! I'm so keen for this. The pops though. Oh.
Dirtiest welded things I've done.
What do you mean? It's beautiful.
Like, whereabouts do you want them?
Yeah, there's perfect. I'm not going to run the rear bar anymore.
Do you want to be in a little bit with?
Yeah, as long as that rear door can open.
Yeah, well, do you want to try it?
Yeah, I got to climb in and open it.
Oh, miles.
Miles?
Yeah, like miles upon miles.
Look at this thing. Oh my. So hyped. Dude, that's so sick.
Muffler is heaps longer than I thought it was.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's a fucking big muffler.
You can, yeah. Keep it like a little bit.
Yeah, sick.
Oh, I don't actually have enough pipe. I might have to weld too.
Holy fuck. That's so fucking loud. Good morning, everyone. Jesus Christ.
It's sick because we're these cold cut.
Holy.
Feel the swarf off it. Like, you can't get a splinter from it. You
Wait.
can literally just rub your fingers.
What? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wait, how come it does that? Just the blade shape?
Just, you know, design of it.
That's sick. But then it makes these that are just absolute razors.
Yeah, well, just because it'll cut like 0 to like nothing and shit. It's sick.
Oh, that's wicked, man. Sick.
You have to go, like, I've been heap happy with it. I want about to end it nicely, but I'm just gonna fucking blast it on with this.
Yeah, sweet. The Meg.
I can't be bothered. I'm gonna be perfectly honest with you, that's gonna be bothered.
No, it's absolutely fine, man. The only part that you see is going to be that part anyway, which I'm stoked about. Hope your neighbours didn't want to sleep in. I'm going to pinch this and go and look at it in the sunlight, because that is so sick. And this is the SR one?
Yeah.
My god, look at that. That's so sick. I thought it not scary.
I know that I painted it.
Oh, now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll look
Like,
after I film you welding this.
it's like painted like aluminium flake. It's like
Sick.
looks just like brushed alley. It's cool. Like it's kind of like the was just gonna go sparkly silver, but it's like the right color
right
for a bright pink sparkly car.
Yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm just keen to see it. Sick.
I bought this shit years ago, and it's like 1 mil rather than 1.6, so it's like a real prick to weld. Except for the fucking longest extension on them in the world. Okay, you can go look at Jeff's car for a little bit.
Okay. Oofed. Oh, that bay colour is sick. Fuck yes. Oh, hello. Sick, man. This car is so wicked. Oh my. Oh my, I am so excited. Yeah, I get that.
And also I don't normally like have my garage as big a brothel.
Yeah, I know, not gonna lie, this is definitely the messiest I've ever seen it.
Just it's got too much shit in here.
Yeah.
Like it's purely just like
It's... organisation. You've done this a few times, I think, man.
that's why it's been so fucking weird.
What? Wrong.
I put an alley one in the stainless steel.
Fucking goddamn it. Okie dokie, so pretty much what happened is this Muppet didn't charge the camera battery and then it ran out. So, we're home now and the exhaust's on. I'm so stoked. It looks so sick and I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much, Will. I'm so stoked. The plan is now I'm just going to give the car a wash and then I'm going to go down to the Super Cheap, get an extra rubber just to fill that hanger. And then I think I'll go and take some photos. But before that, I'm just going to give the car a little wash, just with water. But here you go, here it is. Sweet as, the car's clean enough. When I clean this car, I always do such a terrible effort because it just... paint's just fucked. But it's good enough to take some photos, so I'm gonna head down the road. Oh, it's so sick. Okay, we made it to Super Cheap. I'm just gonna try and find that exhaust hanger rubber thing. Fucking man.
There you go, let's have a good weekend.
So my exhaust only actually had one of these hangers on it, sorry, it had the mount, but it only had one of the rubbers for the hangers. So we'll fab this up, the mount, so it has both the hanger supports. So I just got the new rubber just to go onto there, so I'm going to do that now. Sweet, she's on there. Sick. I'm so stoked. There was a couple of cool photos there. I mean, it's a bit patchy, this cloud and sun, but also that water's not a very nice colour, but oh, still a couple of cool photos there. Oh yeah, it's it does this now. So if you don't have to drive hard, all you got to do is let off the accelerator and it does this. Sounds sick, ready? I'm so stoked. It sounds so sick. That was a cool little adventure. Super stoked to get some more photos of that car. And yeah, I'm home now. I know I've said it about 1,000 times this video, but I'm super stoked. Thank you so much, Will. I love the way it looks. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video. I got my avocado. Yum. So I'm gonna just jump into editing this video. Cheers for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and what do you think of the exhaust? I love the way it sounds. See you guys.